The Vitodens 200 gas condensing boiler is the most advanced of its kind. The Lambda Pro Plus control system ensures extremely efficient combustion of natural gas, low gas consumption, and low emissions, even if the composition of the gas changes. The heat of combustion is then transferred to the heating water. Viessmann has a unique inox radial heat exchanger, the best of its kind because no other heat exchanger offers such benefits in terms of longevity and durability. The self-cleaning heat exchanger offers optimum conditions for condensation and maximum energy transfer. The energy efficiency can therefore reach up to 98%. The heat exchanger is guaranteed for 10 years. The Viessmann boiler sets a new standard in terms of efficiency and sustainability. When you need less heat, this boiler is able to modulate its heat output down to 6% of the maximum. Even when it only uses a small amount of its output, the boiler can be operated continuously and avoids frequent starting and stopping. This enables energy-saving operation, low emissions, but above all, a longer life. The color touch screen ensures simple, intuitive operation of the boiler. And the unique energy cockpit visualizes energy production and energy consumption. Thanks to the integrated Wi-Fi interface, you can also conveniently control your boiler with your smartphone. With the VCare app, you can increase the temperature when you need it, or lower it if you're not around for a long time. Future-proof for digital services and integration of a renewable energy system. Your heating engineer can also monitor your boiler via the internet if required. Simple planning of servicing or implementation of remote interventions. In short, the Vitodens 200 is the best choice for gas condensing boilers. Made in Germany. Next generation heating system from Viessmann. The new Vitodens 200. Save up to 35% on energy costs when replacing an old boiler.